Chase got me all excited, and now I'm out and now I'm in. Okay, so we're gonna go inside this thing and we're gonna chuck it around a little bit, boy. Oh, I like your oil pipe.
Thank you.
Is that for external cooler?
That's actually for the internal cooler, for the interior.
Always the small one. At least your rev counter works.
Well, does it?
Well, mine's at like 9,000.
Mine also revs to like 14,000 for some reason. Everything's doubled on mine. So now we're doing 1,800 RPM.
Okay, mine's just erratic. It's like if I do 2.5 grand, it's at 6 or 7.
Ah, I see.
Okay, let's see what Chase has got. Yeah, boy.
You're putting me on the spot.
No,
it's my first time. Just
yeah.
Go easy.
It was my first time as well.
Get fly.
Fucking loved it. Super sick. This is gonna make some sick ass YouTube content for all of you that are not here.
Well, bro, I'm so happy it's working. The clutch is working.
Dude, this car feels much better than mine does. Power
Short ratios.
Yeah.
Let's give it a big one.
Coming in hard, boy. That's one thing I can say for sure.
Sweet.
If anybody needs to go for a drive, they need to go for a drive with this man.
Wait, thanks, bro.
Thank you, Chase. That was very enjoyable.
Yeah.
I will take you for a drive with my amateur skills.
Oh, dude, we just need to get some short ratios in your car. It's gonna feel lovely.
Yeah. Don't you want to go through the puddle at the bottom to cool your tires?
No, use your sprayer. You were the wise man and brought something cool.
Yeah, very cool.
I'll give it one more through the fast one into the exit.
Done. We got to give him a little bit of a gap. Okay, can I take this thing off? It's obstructing my view.
Oh, 100%. I've had that forever in there.
Watch the grass. Okay, here we go. Third gear. That's when you know you're cruising. That was dope.
Where did it go? Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. There you go, sir.
Hey, Philemon, what's up?
Nah, well, shit. At least the car's going. I'm good. Like that's why I say that's my extent to driving today. I'm happy that it's driving.
Yeah, happy days. You don't have to hurt it.
And the fan's kicking on. Everything's working.
Everything's
Thank
happy.
goodness. A day too late, but we're ready.
Doesn't matter. I like your black steering wheel, by the way. No comments. I know how to clean it.
Okay, well, I need your skills.
With your hands.
Thanks.
That was dope.